Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys some cool applications that I use to help me whenever I'm having an anxiety attack or apps that I just use to try to help my mental health get a little bit better. So there's a ton of great apps on the iPhone that you can actually go and download that are for free. And I want to share with you guys some of the apps that I use to help me uh, to improve my mental health. So let's begin. So first off, we have here is called FitManCook. So FitManCook, you probably think that what does this have to do with your mental health? Well, it has to do a lot. It's food. So Fitman Health is a great app that if you want to learn how to cook some good food and good food for your health, then I highly recommend you guys go check out this app. There's a ton of great recipes that you could try. So if you're in a certain diet or you can't eat certain foods, there's always something here for you. So like me, since I have IBS, there's a certain foods that I can't eat. So like milk and wheat are some of the things that I cannot eat, and high greasy food. So I just usually just go to the seafood area or to the vegan or vegetarian area or chicken, of course, just to see some cool, interesting recipes and ideas that I can use to cook some healthy food. And of course, having a good meal and healthy food also improves your health and your mental health as well. Because if you eat junk food all the time, then that also does affect your mental health, where you'll feel just lazy, tired. But if you eat some good food, of course, then you'll feel that energy and it will help your mind as well. Next, we have moodpath. So moodpath is a fantastic app that is a super simple app as well. So this app will ask you a few questions throughout the day. It'll ask you three times a day, one in the morning, in the middle of the day, and in the afternoon. You can set it up at certain times when you want these questions to be asked to you. And so yeah, so it will ask you a few questions, and then of course after 15 days it will give you your results every 15 days. So it will try to figure out your mood and everything and what you have and everything, and just try to give you some advice of how to improve yourself as well. So I haven't really answered a while back, but of course you could also, there's a discover section where you could go and read and some cool interesting facts, of course, about depression, anxiety, and all this stuff, just to help you, of course, improve your health as well. And so yeah, there's some free courses, and then of course some of them are paid, of course. But yeah, it's a great app if you just want to just read more stuff about your health and just keep up with your mental health as well in an easy way. Next, we have Unsplash. So Unsplash actually is one of my favorite wallpaper apps on the iPhone. So you're probably thinking, why a wallpaper app for your mental health? Well, actually, on your phone, if you're like me, you spend a lot of time on your iPhone, and just having a great wallpaper as well just does a lot to you, and just improves your mood, of course, when you're using your phone, because you probably are using your phone and look at it a lot throughout the day. So just having some cool wallpapers, so like this little dog right here, will probably improve your mood when you're just swiping on your home screen or just look at your lock screen on the iPhone. So yeah, it's just an awesome app that really does help, of course. You probably are laughing right now that a wallpaper app, but try it and it will probably it will probably improve your mind health as well. Next, we have Portal. So Portal is a cool meditation app. So if you're like me, you try to get into meditation to try to help you and everything, but it's really hard for me. I just can't focus enough. But maybe one day I will be good enough to meditate. So Portal is a kind of like a white noise app that it gives you some three options here. So if you want to just escape, focus, or sleep. So let's go to the escape area, and then from there it will start playing some sounds in the background. So like the Redwood National Park here. And so yeah, it's just an awesome app that it's really awesome and fantastic if you're looking into just wanting to focus a little bit more, the app is free to download, of course, but you just saw that there are some premium sounds right there as well that you could do, of course, if you just pay, of course, $5.49 Canadian or American for one time. And so yeah, depending on the sound and stuff that you want to focus in or sleep, there's different types of sounds as well. So yeah, it's just an awesome app that I highly recommend if you're just trying to, focus, sleep, or just get better and relax as well. And the app is really nicely done, of course. I do like how you do have an alarm clock set up here as well, or how long you want this to be playing for as well. And some cool lights. So if you have the Hue lights, you could integrate this app with the Hue lights so so it works together. So the lights will change depending on the sound that you're listening to. So yeah, that's Portal. Next we have FitPod. So FitPod is, you probably heard about this app a lot from a lot of people. It's a great app if you're trying to get into exercise and just do a little bit more exercise as well. And of course, this app, of course, improves your mental health because you're doing exercise. And when you do a lot of exercise, just even walking 30 minutes outside will improve your health as well. I try to walk in the summer every single day, at least 30 minutes outside. And it just does do a lot. It does help you get your mind just starts working again, and it just gets out of the clutter and starts thinking well again. And so yeah, FitPod of course will help you just to get that exercise, to do some push-ups, jumping jacks, all that stuff to improve your health as well. And next and not least, we have sanvello. So sanvello is another great app that is here to improve your health, your mental health. So how it works, pretty simple. Of course, there's some, I'm just going to stop the sound here for a minute. There we go. So how it works is pretty simple. So you have, of course, your journey area. So if you want to improve like me, I want to improve my mental health, anxiety, and all that stuff. Then, of course, you can start with your journey right there. There's other good stuff here that you can also include your mood entry, how you're feeling today as well. And then if you go back, you have here, what I like is that it gives you interesting articles that you can read about your mental health or just other mental health science as well. And so yeah, it's just a great app if you just want to learn more about mental health, how to improve it. And so yeah, it's just a lot of cool stuff, a lot of things that you could do here to improve yourself. And yeah, it's a free app you could go download. Of course, there is premium features inside that you could do if you want to do that purchases as well. And so yeah, there's just a ton of great stuff they can do in this app to help you improve yourself. So yeah, these are the apps that I've been currently using lately to try just to improve my mental health, of course, because mental health is a hard thing to handle, and just using technology, of course, does help a lot as well. And talking to people as well. So that's it for now, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, all the apps I talked about will be in the description below, so you guys go check them out. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.